Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa, you are watching Lulu C'est la vie, and for today's video I wanted to sit down and chat a little bit with you about what I've learned so far about my hair, and more precisely how to gain natural volume when you have fine wavy to curly hair. I've been on this journey since, I want to say, since February, where I started to test out mousse for volume and volumizer shampoos and stuff like that, and I've learned a few things, and I'm not done learning, but I think it's time for me to share what I've learned with you so far. So if you have fine wavy to curly hair and you're struggling with a lack of volume or lack of body to your hair, stay tuned, keep watching this video, and I'm just gonna give you a few tips from what I've learned so far, and maybe it will help you. I needed to stop. Okay. All right, so the first thing I learned is that I needed to stop putting anything moisturizing on my roots, or at least 2.5 inches from my roots down. So like around this much, you know, just nothing moisturizing. Why? Because I have fine wavy to curly hair. My natural sebum is doing a great job at hydrating my scalp, at hydrating my hair, and it's actually able to go down my hair string quite nicely. So if I'm putting a leave-in conditioner or a mask or a conditioner on my roots, it's gonna weight my hair down so much faster. My day 2 is gonna be flat. Even my day 1 could be flat. I learned to not put any leave-in conditioner from the roots of my hair to about like eye level or ear level, you know, because of the length that I have. I'm only applying leave-in conditioner on the length of my hair. So yes, you will have a little bit more frizz to your hair. I personally learned to live with frizz because when you want to add body and volume to your hair, frizz comes with it. It's just something that comes with it. But also using a little bit of gel on the roots, whatever gel works for you, and just up here and there, and it does the job. But yeah, my first tip is stop putting any moisturizing product on the root of your hair. Start applying them from mid-length down. The second thing that I learned is that I needed to stop using leave-in conditioners. Why? Because, well, it weights my hair down, and particularly my favorite one, which is the Royal Honey Color Hair Dessert. So that doesn't mean that I will never use it again, but I've been using this for like so long, for like 9 months at least. If you follow me, you know that I'm popping this bottle out at almost all of my videos. And what's interesting is that it's a leave-in conditioner, but it helps to amplify softness and maximize smoothness. So it does exactly that. But the thing is, when you already have fine hair and you make them softer and smoother, well, you end up with exactly that, and you're losing volume. And what I was seeing is that the more I was using the product, the softer and the silkier my hair was, and the less volume I had. So I broke up with this leave-in conditioner, and I decided to explore with different products. I tried mousse, I try volumizing shampoos. I mean, if you look at my videos since February, you'll see all the different stuff that I've tried, and finally I came across a cream gel, or a gel cream, I'm not sure how you call it, but it's two products in one. It's a cream and a gel at the same time. Right now, the one that I'm using and that I'm kind of liking actually is the Wavy Vita Curl. What I like about this product is that it gives hydration and a light hold to my hair. It tends to stay on the drier side. That's because of the gel. Every time I put a gel from the market in my hair, it dries my hair out. But the cream also gives a little bit of hydration. So this is like, I want to say this is day 4 of using this product. I also use their conditioner, and I also bought their gel, but the gel is too drying, so I stopped using it. but the conditioner from Vita Curl and Widad is really good, and the curl cream, no sorry, the gel cream, the styling gel cream is really nice too. What I've been doing lately is that I've been pairing the gel cream with the JC Curl Rocking Wrinklet Styling Potion, and I paired with this because this is giving a little bit of hydration and more definition to my hair, and so I got enough moisture, great definition, and nice volume, and a little bit of hold at the same time. And by pairing these two together, I'm having a really nice result. And by day 2, I'm having even more volume in my hair, which I really like. So that's what's been working for me so far. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a little video on how I am styling my hair with these two products. All right, another thing that I've learned, and that is thanks to you guys for recommending to watch the Curl Ninja videos. I will link her videos in the description box below, particularly one about high porosity hair. The Curl Ninja is like I think she's fairly new to YouTube. She's a professional curly hair hairstylist, and so she said that she sees like 500 curly girl in her salon throughout the year, and she's specialized in curly hair. And so she decided to come onto YouTube to kind of put things straight a little bit and teach people exactly what the deal is. And because of her, I'm finally able to understand what porosity means and what kind of porosity my hair is. So I have high porosity hair because when I wet my hair gets wet just like this, and it keeps the water in for as long as it can. If I don't take a towel and actually dry my hair with the towel, my hair will keep that water in and it will be dripping for an hour, no problem. So another thing that Curl Ninja taught me is to scrunch the product out of your hair after putting it on. After styling your hair is wet and it has all the products and you style it, it's beautiful. Take the towel and then scrunch, but that's only if you're high porosity though, because if you're low porosity, it's actually the opposite you have to do. If you're like me and you have high porosity hair, which means that the hair will just keep the moisture in, keep the product on, you want to take out as much of this product as possible before diffusing, so you don't have an overload of product in your hair on day 1. And I've been doing that for the past couple weeks now, for the past week, solid week now, and I've seen a huge difference in how heavy my hair feels on day 1. It's so much lighter. Now here's the trick. If I scrunch with the towel like this, I end up taking out most of the product from the bottom of my hair, which is the part that needs to keep as much hydration as possible because it is the driest part. So what I've been doing is scrunching from mid-length to the roots. From mid-length to the roots. I am leaving the tips of my hair alone and I'm going up like this. And that's been doing a great job taking out the excess product and keeping my hair like very lightweight, but still have enough product to have a good definition and a good end result. The last thing that the Curl Ninja taught me so far is that I need to allow my curls to curl in the direction that they want to. I used to do a lot of hand curling, hand coiling, and forcing my curls to go in the direction that I want them to go, which is fine. I mean, it's a style, it's a look, and it's okay. But because I wanted to explore my natural volume, the natural texture of my hair, she has that video when she styles this client that has fine wavy to curly hair. There are a little bleach damage, I think she's blonde. I'll link the video in the description box for you guys to see it. And the way she styles her hair is that she takes a look and she goes, okay, this one goes with this family of hair of curls and this one goes with this family of curls, and she kind of like allowed the hair to go with the type of family of curls, she calls it, that works, that wants to be together. So I've been trying to do that to my hair, and yeah, it's really interesting. I have a different feel, a different fullness to my hair. Actually look like I have more hair, that I have more density to my hair. So that's interesting. Now, of course, there's going to be days where I'm going to want to have those pretty curly, you know, defined curls, and I will hand curl, and that's fine too. But for now, I think throughout the spring at least, I'm gonna just explore with that natural curl, and allowing my natural curls to do whatever they want to do. All right, so now moving on to, what am I moving on to again? Ah oui. All right, so I think the last thing that I've learned, and I learned it the hard way, is to give products a chance to work on your hair. So use it for more than a couple times. Use it for at least a week, a solid week, and give it a good chance. Change the dosage, you know, like switch it around, pair it with other product. Give it a good chance to work. And if it doesn't work after you gave it your all, then it's not meant for you, and let it go. So I said I learned it the hard way, because the last video I did was a first impression on a brand called Bouclem. And my first impression was like, oh my gosh, where have you been all my life, Bouclem? This product is amazing. And they are amazing. I love their cleansing, their hydrating cleanser. I love their conditioner. Unfortunately, I've been using their curl cream and their gel for like a week after this I shot this video. And already on the day that I shot the video, my hair looked amazing. But then 2 hours after I was done styling my hair started to kind of like slowly lose the volume and getting super dry. And by the end of the day, I had to restyle my hair with water and conditioner just to give it a little bit more moisture. The 6 days that followed that video, I tried my hardest to make this cream, the curl cream and gel, work for my hair every way possible, at a point where I was actually talking to the brand. The brand reached out to me on Instagram and was helping me, because I was on Instagram being like, I'm having a horrible day 2 or horrible day 3, I can't remember. This product is just not working for me, or my hair's rejecting the product. And Bouclem actually reached out to me. They were so nice, and we tried to figure out how to use this product. They asked me a whole lot of questions. How often do you wash your hair? Do you use shampoo? Do you use deep conditioning? How much of the product did you put? When did you put it? How did you dry your hair? Blah, blah, blah. And I answered all these questions, and they came back to me and they were like, okay, try like this, try like that. And after 6 days, you guys, I was just done. I had enough. And I came to the conclusion that I don't think that your hair needs to adapt to a product. I think a product needs to work for your hair. So I had to let it go. I was really sad. And that was a lesson learned for me. So now I'm like a little 50-50 on keeping this video up. Actually, you guys, let me know in the comments below, what should I do? Should I take out this video because although my reaction was genuine, the product ended up not working for me? Or should I leave the video because although the product ended up not working for me, it might work for you and my reaction was actually genuine, right? So let me know in the comments below. Let me know if I should take it out, and then I will do whatever you guys think is best, because at the end of the day, as much as I enjoy doing videos, I don't want to be misleading people. That's not what I want to do. So voila. All right, you guys, I think I've told you everything that I've learned so far about, oh, one last thing. Day 2 hair are almost better than day 1 when it comes to the volume that you're gonna have. And if you want to know how I do my day 2, I will link a video because I've done that already. I have so much more fullness. So this is day 1 right now. This is my day 1 hair. By tomorrow, I'm going to have so much more volume to my hair. But a little bit less definition maybe. Although it depends. But yeah, day 2 hair are usually much better when it comes to volume and body. So keep that in mind. Alright you guys, I think I'm done with this video. Let me know in the comments below what are your tips to get a natural fullness and natural volume to your hair. What do you guys do? What's your trick? I would love to learn from you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend if you think it can help them in their journey. And then, voilà, we'll see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.